Assalamu alaikum guys. Hi everyone, how are you? It's me Farooq Khan. You are watching UTech Support. Today I will show you one best application in the world. So if you are radio lover, this video for you. Okay, so let's start my video. So guys, after you come on mobile screen, here you can see my mobile is Android. So if your mobile is iPhone, you can go on App Store. If Android, you can go on Play Store. So guys, I will just go on Play Store. Here you have to write Radio Garden, Radio Garden. Okay, so here you can see this is the application. Okay, I already installed on my mobile, so I don't need to install again. So I'll just go back. Okay, so this is the application icon, Radio Garden. This application is a really powerful application worldwide. Okay, I'll just click to open. So this is the interface of this application. It's look like a worldwide map. Okay, so if you can see here, there is a lot of dots. So the dot is a radio station. Okay, so if I want to hear example this station, I will just click on here. See. So if I want to hear any another station, I'll just move like this. Okay, so example this one I want to hear. So this is the station in Pakistan. So you can move like this, just zoom out. Okay, then move like this. Okay, see, it will be play automatically. Okay, I will try to have another channel, see, this is India. Okay, there is another option to find example. If you think it's difficult to find the country, so you can go here, search button, then write example. I want to hear in Philippines, PHI, Philippines. Okay, so this is the all the station of from Philippines. Example, this one I want to see Manila. Then just go back like this. Okay, see, now you can see the all the station from Philippines. Okay, just move zoom out. In Philippines, now another station. See, okay, so like this you can example this station you want to make luck, like if even it will not move. Okay, so here you can see the lock, just click here, so it will be not move. Even you go here, but it will be play automatically and with lock. Okay, example, see, even I'm trying to other, but it's play still playing the same that which is I make lock. Okay, so I'll just unlock now this one. Okay, this for unlock already. So example, now I'm in Manila station. Okay, I want to see which country I am present now. Okay, so how you will find like this, like this, so it's difficult, right? So just click on here, you can see this one, just click here, find your location. See, automatically he will bring to me which country I am staying and which nationality, in Dubai. Okay, so this is the see, this is the station in from Dubai. Okay, and there is another one tricks I will show you. See, example, this station I want to make I want to
طبعا
make a favorite, like
دراسات خاصة.
I want to make favorite, because if example I go like this, like this, like this, like this, then I don't know the which so if it will be hard to find the station, so I can make this one favorite. Okay, so this station I want to make favorite, example this one. Just a moment, okay, this sorry, I'll push. Okay, this one I need to make a, just click here, then scroll like this. Okay, then this is the station. Okay, this one I want to make favorite, I'll just click favorite. Okay, so I'll go here in favorite. See, there is two station I make favorite. Which one I want to play? It will be play favorite list. Okay, so very easy to find the from favorites. You can edit also. Okay, so this is the station all. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please give me one like. Okay, thank you so much, god bless you.